How to enable request admin approval in Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you land on this interface, open up the channel in your account. Now to enable request admin approval, from here tap on your channel name from the top section of this interface. Now you will land in this channel page. From here, tap on the edit option from the top right corner. You will land on edit page. Here scroll down a bit, there you will find invite links option, tap on it. Now from this interface, tap on this option that says create a new link, tap on it. Now at the top of this interface it says request admin approval, so you have to turn on that toggle. After that, tap on create link. Now if you want to add link name, you can also add, but that's optional, so you can skip that. Now you can set the link limit with the no limit from this interface also. After that, tap on create link. Now you can share this link to other. So simply copy the link, and once you have copied the link, you can share this link to other person in your Telegram. Here I will share this link with this contact right here, and then paste it and then tap on send. Now once you have sent link to this account right here, and if this account wants to get in your Telegram channel, then it will ask for you to enable this account to join in that Telegram account. After that, you will receive a notification to enable request admin. So you can simply enable that request, and then this account can get into your Telegram channel. So that's how you can enable request admin approval in Telegram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.